Hello, good day. I am in village Voditsa and today we present to you a nice big property with a big plot of land. Actually, there are two building plots over here with 2200 square meter land, lots of barns, some are ruins, but some of them it's possible to be create and rebuild again new accommodations or barns. The house is two-story. There is a water and a electric. Have a nice views around into the countryside. The property have access to the road and nice big garden. We're going inside in a minute and I will show you everything over there. The house have old buildings. Some of them need big attention, some are still okay. You can see over here was have a nice big barn, but it's going to collapse if someone not pay some attention. The property have a big private wall. The toilet you have outside and inside toilet. The property was just clean of the grass on the front and the garden continuing over there. And we're going to take a look inside. You have internal corridor and we going into the main house. Up to the second floor you reach with internal staircase, wooden one. The floor is concrete. At the left we have a good reasonable size room with a screed floor and vinyl, with a window into the street. And the other side of the first floor you have a basement with nice beams. The floor is concrete. The basements are really important for Bulgarian life. We always preserve and old jars, we keep in them over there. Here you have a little window which look at on the side of the back garden. This is the staircase which bring you upstairs. In the past only the rich houses they has internal stairs. Here you can look at on the side in a garden. And upstairs has two big size rooms with wooden floor is the corridor, and the other room we will see in a minute. In the past was have some marks and a ceiling, but the roof at the moment been maintained and do not have any leaks. And over here is the second room, which look like they've been use it more like a storage room rather a room for living. You can see there the original beams. The floor is matte and wooden construction, and over here is the access for the attic space. And over here you have some little ladder which bring you to a extra storage space above the Joy building. That was from the main house. Now we're going to see the Joy building. We continue today to look at that nice old house in Voditsa, which needs some attention, but is a really interesting large property with internal staircase. At the moment I am in a Joy building where you have a little kitchen with water. The floors are tiling. And here I have an extra room with a concrete floor and a liner. And here is the old bathroom and a toilet. And this hallway, they are closed with the window to be easy, so you can go in and out from the house to the Joy building. The garden is big, how we already mentioned in a video, but because all the garden been not cut, it's hard to show you all the borders. But you can imagine how look at nearly 2000 square meter garden with that is from us today. Have a good day. Outside you can create a nice sitting barbecue area over here on this concrete slab with a nice little roof, and will be a nice place you can enjoy your evenings in the summer or your morning coffee. There is an outside tap too, and the place where stay the water meter is there too. Here is the outside tap, and there stay the water meter. That is village Voditsa. House for sale near the end of the village with barns and a land. Come and show you a little bit part of the barns to this side. You have here lots of space for little chicks. Here in the garden even you have an outside toilet. Just here the outside toilet. And the garden continuing up there. If you have interest, come and take a look.